Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about collard greens, and I have a list of foods in different categories that are known to pair well with collard greens. So if you're looking for some meal ideas or just what goes well with collard greens, hopefully this list will help you out. In the way of protein foods, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds. There's almonds and almond butter, bacon, beans in general, beef, black-eyed peas, cashews, chicken, chickpeas, fish and other seafoods, ham in particular, especially in the South, hazelnuts, lentils, peanuts and peanut butter, pine nuts, pork, sausage, tempeh, and tofu. In the way of other vegetables that go well with collard greens, there's bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, celery, chilies, dulse, kale, leeks, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, scallions, shallots, squash, that includes winter squash and summer squash, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, root vegetables in general, and also zucchini. In the way of fruits that pair with collard greens, there's apples and apple juice and apple cider, avocados, citrus fruits, coconut, and that includes coconut butter, coconut milk, and coconut water, and lemon, especially lemon juice, olives, orange, especially orange juice, and even raisins. In the way of grains and grain products, there's barley, buckwheat, bulgur, corn, cornbread, farro, grains in general, kamut, noodles, pasta, quinoa, rice, and wheat berries. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods, there's butter, cheese, coconut milk, cream, ghee, and sour cream. In the way of the other foods that are out there, there's agave nectar, beer, chili pepper sauce, liquid smoke, maple syrup, mustard, like prepared mustard like Dijon mustard, oil, especially olive oil and sesame oil, soy sauce, stock, especially vegetable stock, tamari, and vinegar. I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.